Well, we've finished a fantastic week in Jilin. How has it been for you, Jack?
It has been an eye-opening experience. I have never been to Northeast China. The snow here, the slopes, the course, fantastic.
It's been great, but we've learned a lot along the way. And in this video, we're going to give you our 10 tips on how to book a ski holiday and enjoy it in Jilin. Well, our first tip is make sure that you have downloaded and you have set up WeChat and WeChat Pay before you came. We're going to link below to a video we've done on how to do that. It is really essential when it comes to checking out lockers or buying stuff or just picking up a coffee. WeChat will get you there on all of those things. Nice and simple, but make sure it works and make sure you have a data plan that works in the Chinese mainland as well.
So if you want an English-speaking coach, book it in advance. There are always something available in different resorts, but you have to make a call or check their website to book. Bear in mind, you might have to pay a little bit more for English-speaking coaches.
Well, my next tip is it gets very cold here and you need extra layers, extra clothing than you may normally have when it comes to skiing, particularly if you're used to skiing in Europe. Make sure you have a buff to cover your face, a good hat that goes under your helmet as well. If you dress right, you're going to really enjoy it. If you don't dress right, it's going to be a very cold experience.
As for alpine ski, there's hot spring options in some of the resorts. Do bring a pair of swimming shorts. That's very useful because you cannot be naked in the public area. And also some resorts have a swimming pool available and you need a swimming cap for that.
Well, China is slightly different to some of the other Asian ski slopes and also some of the European ones in that there is lots and lots of activities provided for you to do outside the skiing as well as skiing itself. So make sure you allow a little bit of extra time and explore what else is available.
As for transportation, do have a look at the high-speed train. If your travel time is within 4 hours by plane, most likely there's a chance it's faster and easier to travel with high-speed train. Have a look at the option.
Now, when it comes to booking your holiday, it can be very intimidating and quite complicated. You can go through the regular travel agencies, but you're going to find it quite expensive compared to the really good deals. Now, we found out on this trip, the great deals happen in the early bird, what they call early bird season. Now, that can be anywhere from the summer through to about October. Those are the times you should be checking the WeChat programs, the mini programs for the different resorts that you're interested in. They will advertise them there. If you get in early, you can get some fantastic deals. We met people who were paying just 1,000 RMB for 2 nights, 2 ski passes, 2 breakfasts. Now that is a fantastic deal.
Last from me is try to avoid to come over during Chinese public holiday. For example, Chinese New Year, the New Year, then you will have to pay double or even triple. Or most likely you won't have a room. It's very, very busy here. But other than that, we hope to have a nice holiday in China.
Now, in the ski centers, there are lockers that you can rent, but a quick tip, if you don't need to spend the money on the locker, you can just bring some old shoes that you're not too worried about in case they do go missing, and a plastic bag to put everything in. I normally bring an IKEA bag, chuck all the stuff in that I don't want, and just leave it in the ski center. You're going to find everyone else does that. It's going to save you on locker fees. Nice and simple. Just make sure you don't put anything in there that you would really miss if it went missing. And one last tip from me. We have tried to find an English contact in each of the resorts. If there's one that you like, look at the episode down below in the details. You will find a contact that we recommend you try and get hold of if you're having trouble booking. It can be a daunting task if you don't speak Chinese trying to book these things. Talk to the local contact, they will be able to help you out.
All right, that's 10 tips from us. I hope you found those are very useful for your trip. And for me, that's it.
Okay, now if you want to find those episodes, you're going to find them on our website at droneandphone.com and also on our YouTube channel. You'll also find our previous series on skiing in Chongli, that's just north of Beijing. And if you subscribe, you're going to get any future episodes we do, including our future ski series in China. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
This
Is
Drone and
Phone.
Phone.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.